Do you want to pay $15 for this fluke rig mess? Or make this fluke rig by yourself for under $1? This is a high-low rig. First of all, we have a dropper loop here with either a number 1 or a number 2 hook. Come down 12 inches and we have another dropper loop here, also with the hook here, and then we come down 12 inches and you attach your weight with a surgeon's knot. Now all these knots can be removed. They are non-binding knots. Also note here, we have no swivel. The next fluke rig, this is a very simple rig here. All we're doing is tying a jig to the end of the line. Once again, we have no swivel. We're just bringing this jig down on the bottom, tying a Palomar knot or a uni knot, and we're going to put a minnow on here.
Wow. What are we going to do with them all?
And you're going to drop this down to the bottom, and you're going to bounce this off the bottom, and that minnow's going to be squirming around, and you're going to catch a big fluke with this.
Wow, it's hurting you. Damn. Let me get a picture.
This time, instead of the jig alone, we came up 12 inches and added a teaser hook. And we did that with a dropper loop. Add a dropper loop here. Put your hook on. This hook can be removed. What we have here is we have the main line coming out of the reel. We have no swivel, no break points. The main line comes down to a dropper loop with a 1 or a 2/0 hook, offset J hook. Then it comes down 12 inches to your weight. It's so low profile, the fluke don't even see it coming. So simple. You're not paying $10, $15. You're paying for whatever for a hook and a weight. So simple, and it works great. Remember, caught a fish. Bigger than me. Oh! Oh! Wow.
Nice.
Terry with the bagger. What's the water look like? Is it shallow? Am I going to bottom out?
I'm not seeing it yet.
Check in a minute. Watch the bump. Check in a minnow trap. Huh?
I'm just taking it. There's nothing here. Then there's no loaded.
What?
Loaded. Oh
Show
my
GoPro.
God.
Show GoPro.
Oh my God.
Oh wow, we got.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Wish we could can we keep them until Sunday? Is
Look at that.
Is it, will they stay alive?
Right here. The crick, yeah. Look at that.
You want to take that risk?
Look at them all jumping back there.